Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make the arrangement of the diffuser automatically just in 2 clicks. And type here diff, pick the start point, I'm gonna pick here, and then the end point here, x-axis number here, how many axis, I'm gonna type 2. What is the y-axis also? The y-axis here, I'm gonna type 2 also. Diffuser width 300. Start diffuser out from left. Interface, yes, I'm gonna start it from left here. And as you see, it typed automatically. Here's the first diffuser, second one. I'm gonna type also again. X-axis 5, diffuser width 125. In this case, I'm gonna say no to start diffuser in from this. As you see here, to cross check, I'm gonna see the dimensions. And as you see, it's centered across the length of the room and also in the transverse direction. Here 575, and also is centered automatically. I'm gonna type also here. Here, as you see, 3 axes for x-axis and 2 for y, and here 3 by 3. Start point, end point, 150. Yes, I'm gonna start diffuser in from the beginning, as you see, and here also. Yes, I'm gonna start from here. And for this corridor also, that's 1 in x-axis and 10 in y-axis. Type here from start to the end, 1, 10, 300. And as you see, it's typed automatically. Let's cross check for the width here. The width of the diffuser 300, and the width of the diffuser out 300 also. And that's it. Thank you for watching.